If you don't get this by 18, you'll be broke by 30. And it's not your fault. School never taught you how money really works, but in the next 4 minutes, I'll show you how the economy is rigged and how you can flip the script and win anyway. Buckle up. The economy is not that deep. It's just a cycle of people buying, selling, working, and spending money. When people spend more, it grows. When people stop, it crashes. But here's the trap. The system is designed to make you spend, not save. Every ad, every discount, every buy now button is bait. If you don't learn the rules, you're the product, you're the target, you're the one funding someone else's freedom. You work, you grind, but your wallet still says, nah. Why? One word: inflation. Prices go up, your money buys less. So yeah, $100 today might only be worth $80 in a couple years. So just saving cash, that won't cut it anymore. These 5 habits are secretly stealing your future. Impulse spending. That $14 Uber Eats adds up to $4,000 a year. No budget. If you're not tracking it, you're losing it. Flex culture. Impressing people you don't like. Financial prison. One income stream, one job, one way to fail. I'll save later mindset. Nah, if you don't start now, you never will. Ready for the cheat codes? Here's the 3-step starter pack. Save before you spend. Pay yourself first. Even $5 a week is the start of everything. Start a side hustle. Not optional. Sell, flip, freelance, use AI, anything. Invest early. Index funds, ETFs, high-yield savings, compound growth, church magic. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need to start before you're rich. The economy isn't broken. It's working perfectly to keep most people stuck. But the moment you understand how the money flows, you can break out. Think of it like a game. Learn the rules. Play smarter. Build quietly. This is how people win. Not by luck. Not by working 80 hours, but by escaping the trap early. You just got the blueprint. No excuses now. Start saving. Start learning. Start building your freedom. Like this video if it opened your eyes. Drop a comment with your money goal. Subscribe for more no BS breakdowns of how the real world works.